Welcome to the impact of living dinosaurs, exploring the possibilities. For centuries, dinosaurs have captured our imaginations, and the idea of living dinosaurs has been the subject of countless books, movies, and scientific studies. But what if we discovered that dinosaurs were still alive today? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities of what might happen if living dinosaurs were discovered, and we'll look at the potential impacts on ecology, scientific exploration, tourism, conservation efforts, cultural significance, and more. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey into a world where the impossible becomes possible. Let's dive in. Here are a few things that might happen. Ecological impact. The presence of dinosaurs in the modern world would likely have a profound impact on the environment. Dinosaurs were some of the largest creatures to ever roam the Earth, and they likely had a significant impact on the ecosystems they inhabited. For example, large herbivorous dinosaurs such as the Brachiosaurus would have a major effect on vegetation, which would in turn affect other species that depend on those plants for food. Scientific exploration. The discovery of living dinosaurs would revolutionize our understanding of biology and evolution. Scientists would likely be eager to study these creatures in order to better understand their physiology, behavior, and genetics. This could lead to new breakthroughs in fields such as medicine, genetics, and paleontology. Tourism. The existence of living dinosaurs would likely attract a massive influx of tourists to areas where the creatures were found. This could have both positive and negative impacts on the local economy and environment. Conservation efforts. The presence of living dinosaurs would also likely lead to increased efforts to protect and conserve these creatures. This could involve the creation of new protected areas, laws to regulate hunting and poaching, and other measures designed to ensure the survival of these ancient creatures. Ecological impact of living dinosaurs. Changes to ecosystems. The presence of large herbivorous dinosaurs, such as the Brachiosaurus, could have a significant impact on the vegetation in the areas where they live. These dinosaurs would likely consume vast amounts of plant matter, potentially changing the balance of plant species in the area. This could in turn affect other species that depend on those plants for food or habitat. Competition for resources. The presence of large carnivorous dinosaurs, such as the T-Rex, could also have a significant impact on the ecosystems where they live. These dinosaurs would compete with other predators for food, potentially driving some species to extinction or forcing them to adapt to new food sources. Effects on climate. Dinosaurs could also have had an impact on the climate of the areas where they lived. For example, large herbivores produce vast amounts of methane as part of their digestion process, which could have contributed to a warming effect in the atmosphere. Conservation efforts. The discovery of live dinosaurs could lead to increased efforts to protect and conserve these creatures and their habitats. This could involve the creation of new protected areas or wildlife reserves, as well as efforts to reintroduce or relocate dinosaurs to areas where they would be less likely to come into conflict with human populations. Impact on biodiversity. The presence of dinosaurs could also have a significant impact on overall biodiversity. The existence of new and unique species of dinosaur would add to the diversity of life on Earth, potentially leading to new discoveries and scientific breakthroughs. Scientific exploration if living dinosaurs were discovered. Studies of physiology. One of the first things that scientists would likely do upon discovering living dinosaurs is study their physiology. This could involve examining their muscles, bones, and other internal organs in order to better understand how these creatures move and function. Analysis of genetics. Scientists would also be interested in studying the genetic makeup of living dinosaurs in order to better understand their evolution and potential relationships to other species. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields such as genetics, paleontology, and evolutionary biology. Behavioral studies. Scientists would likely be eager to study the behavior of living dinosaurs in order to better understand their social interactions, mating habits, and other aspects of their lives. This could involve observing them in the wild, or even conducting experiments in controlled environments. Medical research. The discovery of living dinosaurs could also lead to new breakthroughs in the field of medicine. Scientists could study the unique physiology of these creatures in order to better understand human anatomy and potential treatments for various diseases. Technological advancements. The study of living dinosaurs could also lead to new technological advancements in fields such as robotics and engineering. Scientists could use their findings to create new robots or other devices that are modeled after the physiology and movement of dinosaurs. Tourism if living dinosaurs were discovered. Dinosaur theme parks. It is likely that one of the first ways in which living dinosaurs would be monetized is through the creation of dinosaur theme parks. These parks would offer visitors the opportunity to see living dinosaurs up close, and could include attractions such as dinosaur rides, exhibits, and interactive experiences. Guided dinosaur tours. Another potential tourism scenario could involve guided tours of areas where living dinosaurs are known to reside. These tours could be conducted by experts in paleontology and other related fields, and could offer visitors a unique and educational experience. Dinosaur museums. The discovery of living dinosaurs could also lead to the creation of new dinosaur museums and exhibitions. These museums could display live specimens, as well as fossils and other artifacts related to dinosaur evolution and history. Dinosaur conservation efforts. Some tourism scenarios related to living dinosaurs could involve efforts to protect and conserve these creatures and their habitats. This could include ecotourism initiatives designed to support conservation efforts, or the creation of wildlife reserves or protected areas where living dinosaurs could thrive. Scientific expeditions. Finally, tourism scenarios related to living dinosaurs could also involve scientific expeditions to study these creatures in their natural habitats. These expeditions could include opportunities for tourists to participate in scientific research, and could offer a unique and exciting way to experience dinosaur discovery and exploration. Conservation efforts if living dinosaurs were discovered. Protected areas. The discovery of living dinosaurs could lead to the creation of new protected areas, wildlife reserves, and other conservation initiatives designed to protect these creatures and their habitats. These protected areas could include measures to limit human encroachment and to ensure that living dinosaurs have adequate space to thrive. Habitat restoration. Conservation efforts related to living dinosaurs could also involve habitat restoration initiatives aimed at restoring ecosystems that have been damaged or degraded over time. These initiatives could involve reforestation efforts, the reintroduction of native plant and animal species, and other measures designed to support healthy ecosystems. Public education. In order to support conservation efforts related to living dinosaurs, it would be important to educate the public about these creatures and the importance of their conservation. This could include public awareness campaigns, educational programs, and other initiatives designed to raise awareness about the value of biodiversity and the need to protect endangered species. Collaboration with indigenous communities. Many areas where living dinosaurs would likely be discovered are also home to indigenous communities who have deep cultural and spiritual connections to the land and the creatures that inhabit it. Conservation efforts related to living dinosaurs could involve collaboration with these communities in order to ensure that conservation initiatives are respectful of their traditions and beliefs. Research and monitoring. Finally, conservation efforts related to living dinosaurs would likely involve ongoing research and monitoring initiatives designed to track the health and well-being of these creatures and to identify potential threats to their survival. This could include the use of tracking devices, genetic analysis, and other tools to support ongoing conservation efforts. These are just a few of the many possible scenarios related to conservation efforts if living dinosaurs were discovered. The discovery of these creatures would undoubtedly be a major scientific and conservation achievement, and would require a collaborative effort from scientists, conservationists, indigenous communities, and other stakeholders in order to ensure their long-term survival. Don't forget to check out the video description for more information and resources related to the topics discussed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.